Welcome back to Autotonic, where the roads lead to thrilling updates on the automotive world. Today, we're diving into a name that resonates with adventure and capability. According to the latest updates, Toyota has just unveiled the much anticipated 2025 Toyota 4Runner Trailhunter. This rugged masterpiece is set to redefine the world of off-roading with its bold design, advanced engineering, and exceptional features. So buckle up as we explore what makes this beast a game changer, from its striking exterior to its robust engine, luxurious interior, and top-tier safety. And stay tuned until the end as we reveal the official pricing that will make you want to hit the trails immediately. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Toyota 4Runner Trailhunter grabs attention with its commanding presence. According to the latest updates, Toyota has taken the iconic 4Runner design and elevated it to new heights. The Trailhunter comes with a reinforced steel front bumper and a redesigned grille that proudly features the Toyota emblem. Yep, the LED headlights have been reshaped to provide better visibility during nighttime adventures, while the integrated fog lights add a practical touch for challenging terrains. The wheel arches are bold and rugged, housing 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires. The Trailhunter also boasts a factory-installed roof rack system perfect for carrying extra gear. Toyota has introduced exclusive color options for this model, including a vibrant sandstorm beige that perfectly complements the off-road aesthetic. The Trailhunter badge is prominently displayed, signifying its unique identity in the lineup. All of this comes together to create a vehicle that's ready to conquer trails while making a bold statement on the road. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota 4Runner Trailhunter is powered by a new 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine. According to updates, this engine delivers an impressive 375 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque, providing the power you need for off-road adventures and highway cruising alike. The engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission that ensures smooth shifting and optimal performance in various driving conditions. Toyota has equipped the Trailhunter with a sophisticated four-wheel drive system that includes locking differentials and crawl control, making it capable of tackling steep inclines, rocky paths, and muddy trails. Additionally, the Trailhunter comes with an upgraded suspension system featuring Fox shocks, which enhance stability and ride comfort even in the roughest terrains. A skid plate underneath protects critical components, allowing you to explore without hesitation. Toyota's engineering ensures the Trailhunter is not just a powerful SUV, but a vehicle designed for durability and reliability, no matter where your journey takes you. Stepping inside the Trailhunter, the interior offers a perfect blend of rugged functionality and modern luxury. According to the latest updates, Toyota has designed the cabin to cater to both adventure seekers and comfort enthusiasts. The seats are upholstered in premium, water-resistant materials, ensuring they can handle muddy gear and wet clothing after a day of exploring. The Trailhunter logo is embossed on the headrests, adding an exclusive touch. The dashboard features an advanced 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen with seamless integration for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Toyota's new infotainment system also includes trail maps and off-road navigation features, making it easier to plan your route. The driver's cockpit is equipped with a digital instrument cluster that provides real-time vehicle diagnostics, including tire pressure and incline angles. The Trailhunter also offers a premium JBL sound system, allowing you to enjoy your favorite tunes whether you're on the road or deep in the wilderness. With ample storage options, including hidden compartments and a cargo area equipped with tie-down points, the Trailhunter ensures practicality is never compromised. Safety is always a priority for Toyota, and the 2025 4Runner Trailhunter is no exception. According to updates, this SUV is packed with advanced safety features to keep you and your passengers protected. The Toyota Safety Sense suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. For off-road safety, the Trailhunter is equipped with a 360-degree camera system that provides a clear view of the surroundings, helping you navigate tight spaces and challenging trails. The vehicle also features downhill assist control and hill start assist, ensuring stability on steep slopes. Airbags are strategically placed throughout the cabin, and the reinforced frame enhances crash protection. Toyota has also included rear cross-traffic alert and blind spot monitoring to make highway driving safer. Whether you're navigating city streets or remote trails, the Trailhunter has you covered with state-of-the-art safety technology. Now let's talk pricing. According to official updates, the 2025 Toyota 4Runner Trailhunter starts at an MSRP of $55,000. This price reflects the exceptional value of the Trailhunter's premium features, rugged capabilities, and Toyota's renowned reliability. Toyota is also offering optional packages including a premium off-road kit and additional accessories like a winch or upgraded roof storage solutions. With its competitive pricing, the Trailhunter is positioned as an attractive option for adventurers and off-road enthusiasts who want a vehicle that delivers both performance and luxury. And that wraps up today's deep dive into the 2025 Toyota 4Runner Trailhunter. With its stunning design, powerful engine, luxurious interior, and cutting-edge safety features, the Trailhunter is ready to conquer the wild and elevate your driving experience. What do you think about this rugged masterpiece? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest updates from Autoton. Until next time, stay adventurous and keep the journey alive.